I don't know if you've noticed, but people in this generation just don't care anymore. And it's not just the people you'd expect, it's the smart ones too. I was talking to a student the other day, and he brought up a valid concern during our meeting. He said something that stuck with me. He said, "I've always just been waiting for the next thing. Like nothing right now actually mattered. School didn't matter, classes didn't matter. It was just something to get through so he could move on." Welcome to King Junkie View, a modern philosophy for young men, built on discipline, self-respect, and quiet strength. And I realized, that's not just him. That's how a lot of people are living. Everyone's just waiting for life to start. I'll figure it out in college. I'll figure it out after I graduate. I'll figure it out when I get a job. But then you get there and nothing changes.
This is a King Junkie production.
And that's where frustration sets in. Because we were all told the same thing. Follow the path, do what you're supposed to do, and it'll work out. But for a lot of people, it's not working. You do everything right and still get rejected. From schools, from jobs, from opportunities you thought you earned.
David, wait.
Nope.
Is there no way we can get rid of him?
Not without cause, Michael.
I have cause. It is because I hate him.
This is a King Junkie production.
And after that happens enough times, you stop caring. Not because you're lazy, but because
you don't feel in control anymore.
Before we dive in, hit subscribe. You'll learn how to level up and live like the top 1%. And I think that's what most young men are missing. This isn't just a motivation problem. This is a system problem. We've built environments where students are taught how to pass classes, but not how to build a life.
This is a King Junkie production.
No one teaches you who you are. No one teaches you how to structure your days. No one teaches you how to actually create opportunities for yourself. That's real. And how do you expect to steer the ship when you have no idea what destination exists? So you end up in this cycle, trying, getting nothing back, trying again, getting nothing back, until eventually you just check out. And honestly, I get it. It makes sense why people stop caring. But at the same time, that's exactly what keeps you stuck. Because if you don't build something outside of that system, you're always going to feel like you're waiting for permission, waiting for your turn, waiting for life to finally start. That's real. What I've started to notice is that the people who actually break out of that cycle, they all develop a few things that most people never do.
This is a King Junkie production.
They stop tying their identity to outcomes. They build structure into their daily life. And they find ways to create leverage for themselves instead of depending on one path. They stop tying their identity to outcomes. They build structure into their daily life. And they find ways to create leverage for themselves instead of depending on one path. Wake up. And once that shift happens, everything changes. Not overnight, but at least you're not stuck anymore. And today, not being stuck matters. If you're in college right now or about to go, this is where it matters most. Because you're in the stage where most people keep drifting or start building something real. And I've been thinking about this a lot recently. Because it's not just something I want to talk about online anymore. There's a bigger gap here. Students are showing up every day, but no one is actually helping them build direction. And that's a problem. I'm not going to say much about it yet, but just know this conversation is going a lot further than these videos. Because at some point, we have to stop just talking about the problem and build something that fixes it. And as always, never stop improving. My name's Ivan Alexander, and I'll see you in the comments. To God be the glory.
Wake up.
But they weren't bad jobs. It's like people say, oh, the difficulty of making a movie. I'm like, send your son to Iraq. That's difficult. It's just a movie. It's like, relax. I don't play that precious nonsense. Oh, we're moving, oh, get out of here. You know, your son got shot in the face. That's difficult. Making a movie is a luxury.
If you're not subscribed to King Junkie View, you probably won't see us again.